Brazilian judge suspends social media giant amid legal standoff. In an unprecedented legal maneuver, a Brazilian Supreme Court justice has directed a stern measure against social media platform X, marking a significant escalation in the tension between judicial authorities and digital corporations. This bold move underscores the rising global discourse on the balance between regulation and the right to free speech in the digital landscape. On Friday, a high-level judicial order mandated the immediate suspension of Platform X's operations in Brazil. The decision follows the platform's failure to appoint a legal representative in the country, a requirement set by the Brazilian court. Additionally, X faces a hefty fine of 18.5 million reais, approximately $3.28 million, a punitive response to their non-compliance with earlier court orders. This legal battle comes at a time when concerns over the spread of misinformation and digital hate speech are at an all-time high. Earlier in the year, the court directed X to prohibit the accounts of individuals embroiled in the propagation of compromised news, what is often referred to as digital militias. Elon Musk, whose company has a significant stake in the platform, previously denounced the court's directives as censorship attempts, which consequentially led to the closure of X's operations in the country. Yet, X maintained that their services would remain accessible to Brazilian users. This ruling also necessitates the involvement of Brazil's telecommunications regulator, Anatel, to enforce the suspension and provide confirmation of its execution within 24 hours. As the justice anticipates possible circumventions through virtual private networks, VPNs, a deterrent has been placed, imposing fines up to 50,000 reais, around $8,900 per day, on any individual or entity attempting to bypass the blockade. As the world grapples with the protection of free speech versus the need for accountability on digital platforms, this development from Brazil marks a crucial instance of a nation enacting strong stances on digital governance. Observers and stakeholders in the domain of global internet policy will be scrutinizing the unfolding of these events, considering the far-reaching implications for digital freedom and judicial reach across the world. Meanwhile, aside from the troubles faced by the social platform, Starlink, a satellite internet provider associated with Musk and owning 40% of the platform, has also experienced judicial intervention. The company's local bank accounts were frozen, prompting an appeal to the court for relief. With legal and public opinion sharply divided on the matter, the future of X's presence in Brazil, and potentially that of other digital services under similar scrutiny, hangs in the balance. Thank you for choosing Satori News.